Hi. Today we're going to tell you about sophisticated invalid traffic. Let's get started. An invalid traffic issue is a type of traffic that occurs when a bot or a user clicks on a link without any interest. Sometimes, it can lead to a loss of ad revenue and damage the reputation of your website. Compared to general invalid traffic, the more sophisticated version of invalid traffic is a malicious form of bot traffic as it causes direct damage to advertisers and their budgets. This type of fraud is harder to spot and prevent since fraudsters try to hide their activities by creating new ways to trick users. There are 3 common types of sophisticated invalid traffic ad fraud. A hidden advertising technique that tricks users into believing that the ads are invisible, which then increases the number of impressions. For instance, fraudsters can hide small pixel ads in certain areas where users unintentionally will click on them. Stuffing third-party cookies into the user's browser to make it seem like the user visited the website with the shown ad. This way, fraudsters can steal the advertising money paid to real sites. Auto-refresh means automatically refreshing ads many times to increase the number of impressions. Hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our videos with other great Google marketing solutions for your business. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.